Well, hi everybody, here I am, and today I've got a very special recipe for all you lovely vegans out there. It's a vegan mushroom stroganoff. It's so simple, so easy to make, so tasty, you're gonna love it. So yeah, and here we have 250 grams of pasta of your choice. We're gonna need a teaspoon of dried thyme, one whole white onion that's gonna be chopped up. We're gonna need this vegetable stock here, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 cup, a quarter cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of non-dairy milk, 250 grams of mushrooms, and some olive oil for cooking in. In a large bowl, whisk together the thyme, the salt and the pepper, your flour, and your vegetable broth, and your milk, in a large cooking pan, add some olive oil, then add your onions, and your garlic, when it's all sweated down a bit like this. Sweating doesn't sound great, does it? But anyway, it is a bit sweaty. Then we can go in with our mixture there. If the mixture gets a bit dry, add a bit more water. I'm using some pasta water, but you can use a bit more broth or just plain water. If it gets a bit too liquidy, just let it cook a bit longer to steam off. Then we can add the pasta, in that goes. Give this a bit of a mix round, get all the flavours clinging to it. Lovely, look at that. So now we're about ready to dish up. We'll put some on this plate. We've got just the right consistency. Doesn't that look good? Not too stiff, bit liquidy, lovely. Top it off with a little bit of this fresh parsley. On that goes, makes it look all the much better, doesn't it? Now we can try and get a bit on a fork if we're lucky. Oh, there we go. It's not bad, is it? I absolutely love it. I love mushrooms anyway, but cooked this way, they're really special. Brings out all the flavours and that thyme in there, and just a little bit of salt and pepper, not too much. It's fantastic. Please try this recipe for yourself. It's a vegan recipe, got to be healthy. And yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now. If you've enjoyed watching this video guys, please subscribe, and then you'll see all my latest videos. Give me a like and give me a share, that'd be great. Thank you.